we are in Munnar finally. It was a long drive yesterday, but the sound of birds chirping and the fresh oxygen in the air, and then there's tree plantation all around. Everything is so fresh that you are recharged, rejuvenated. You don't need to do yoga, as you can see right now. I was invited for a yoga session, but who wants to do yoga when you can just breathe air and you can feel oxygen right in your lungs everywhere. All right, now so it's time for a trek. We'll be going for a small trek. Munnar is known for its greenery, beautiful landscapes, pristine valleys, and of course for the tree plantations. The air around has a sense of magic that ultimately makes you fall in love with the place and its popular beverage, tea. It doesn't matter whether you are fond of tea or not. Once you visit this place, you will end up loving it. This is the tea, the Munnar special, plucked right from the tea garden. It's so refreshing that I can't explain. This is the cascade of waterfall, fresh streaming waterfall, which is so refreshing that it can just cure you of any disease that you have by just looking at it. Munnar has everything a traveller wants in a place, and that's the reason we missed going to the tea museum and a couple of more places, because the places around here are hard to leave. Wasn't that so fresh? The waterfall, the tea, that stall, those people, so nice. But we have to say bye to Munnar because it's time to head to the next destination, which is the LEP. And LEP is known for its backwater, is very famous for its backwater. It's the only place where there are houseboats apart from Kashmir. So now we'll see you at LEP, and if you've not subscribed to the channel, you can do that now. And I won't talk much. I want to enjoy the drive. Keep watching the beautiful roads that we are driving along. We have reached. This is the backwater I was talking about. This is the backwater of LEP. The famous, in fact, the largest lake of Kerala. And we will take a 7-minute canopy ride to our resort. And that's the boat we have. And luggage is already loaded. And if you're wondering what happens to the cars while we are on the boat, Kerala is well travelled, well planned, and because of the nice staycations, you can park your car very comfortably. Now is the time to give you a quick review of this boat, indigenously built boat. This is about 3,000 litre open boat capacity, which can take in 6 passengers. And the man there, the boatman, told us that we are safe. I didn't trust him. He said, "It's my guarantee, right, sir?"
Yes, guarantee.
We are off to our private island. It's basically a 6 horsepower boat. Yes, 6 horsepower boat. For us at Top Gear, this sounds ridiculous, but that's enough to take us from point A to point B. Actually, that's what you need in life, you know. So we reached finally the 6 horsepower made us safely. And now this is the private island that we'll be staying. The sunset still has some time to go, and this is so magnificent. You don't always need beautiful weather to enjoy the evening. Watch a sunset after the rainbow. It is still my favorite color, but today I have to adjust myself to the weather. As you can see, this is a surreal morning, and I feel like saying good morning to you. We have got up early in the morning to see the sunrise because we missed the sunset yesterday. It was cloudy, and looks like we will be missing it today again, but you got to take your chances. Well, the drivecation continues, the road tripping continues, but this time on the boat. We'll be coasting back because this is a 70-mile long backwaters and we are just at the starting point. But we'll drive towards Varkala, and on the way we'll be actually passing all the houseboats. Hopefully I can show you that. But right now, it's time to wait for the sunrise and the clouds to disperse. With that, it's time to move ahead. Please subscribe to us and stay tuned for more.